Ever wondered how pocketGuard magically tracks your spending? You know, that app that tells you exactly where your money's going and even helps you save? But have you ever stopped to think, what bank does it actually use? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth behind pocketGuard's magic. Now, you might be thinking, pocketGuard must have some secret deal with my bank, right? Well, it's a bit more complicated than that. See, pocketGuard doesn't actually use a specific bank. Instead, it relies on something called open banking. Open banking is basically a fancy term for a system that allows you to securely share your financial data with third-party apps like pocketGuard. Imagine it like a digital key that gives pocketGuard permission to peek at your transaction history, but only the information you specifically allow. So, how does this work in practice? Well, when you connect your bank account to pocketGuard, you're essentially granting the app access to your financial information through your bank's API. This API acts as a secure bridge, allowing pocketGuard to retrieve your transaction data without ever actually holding your funds. Think of it like ordering food online. You don't need to go to the restaurant's kitchen to get your food, you use a delivery service to bring it to you. Similarly, pocketGuard uses your bank's API to deliver your transaction data. This approach offers several key advantages. Security. Your bank's security measures remain in place, ensuring your financial information is well protected. Privacy. You have complete control over which accounts you connect and what data you share. Convenience. No need to manually input transactions, saving you time and effort. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe to share my bank information with an app? The short answer is yes, as long as you're using a reputable app like pocketGuard. Always prioritize apps with strong security measures and read their privacy policies carefully. In conclusion, pocketGuard doesn't use a specific bank. It leverages open banking technology to securely access your financial data from your bank through their API. This allows the app to provide you with valuable insights into your spending habits without compromising your security or privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.